I recently discovered the power of teleport. See, I'm here, and I'll go there. Watch. Wow. See that? I will make a tutorial how to do that. Hi guys, I'm watching Skrillex Swan Mothership. Siyempre while working this one. Juice. This is falafel. This is fried beans. This with vegetable and stuffs. Hi guys, this is the view outside my office window. See that? Let's zoom in a little bit. That's the main entrance. That's the main entrance of the school. And there's parking area somewhere down there. And some construction area here. Another building. So yeah, actually malungkot dito sa office kasi may sarili akong room and ako lang mag-isa dito, kaya halos buong araw wala akong kausap. Diba? Ang saya. Ito lang nakikita ko lagi. Ayan. Ayan cabinet na yan. Then, ayan pintuan niya ng amo ko. Then, dyan yung amo ko. Then, ito yung pintuan palabas. Then, yung scanner slash printer slash Xerox machine. And my computer, my shredder, my digital telephone, my fax machine na ewan ko bakit kailangan pa nilang fax machine, may scanner na and may email na, so hindi na natin kailangan yan, dapat nga itapon na yan and si smiley face yan. So buong week ito lang makikita ko, and pag inutusan lang ako ng amo ko lumabas maghatid ng documents kung saang department. Actually ang daming buildings neto, so pag inutusan ako ng malayo tapos sobrang init tapos tanghali, ako umiinit agad ulo ko kasi ang init talaga dito, grabe. So yun, shout out nga pala kay Miss Ann Klutz. Shinout out niya yung Philippine vlogging community. Actually natutuwa ako kasi ang dami nang nagla-like sa kanya, and actually it's a great place for sabi nga ni Miss Ann Klutz na makadiscover din ng mga ibang vloggers. And me, I'm vlogging because I want to practice my speaking in English. No, seriously, I have a problem speaking in public or speaking in group, or like reporting, like that, especially in English. That's why I really want to practice it by by using video blogging. And I know some of you will correct me at the comments below. Some of you will bash if I said something wrong. So actually I will take that as a positive thing. So yeah, I have no plans for today. After office, I will just go home, edit my vlog and edit my introduction video. So yeah, shout out kay Miss Katie Carey. Wow, Katie Carey, napakadaldal na bata. Lahat na lang ng vlogs kinokomenta. Thumbs up yan. Support Filipino vloggers. And yeah, continue liking and commenting habang wala kang pasok. And huwag nyo kalimutan batiin ng happy birthday si Miss Katie Carey, kasi 4 days na lang daw is magbo-birthday na siya. So happy birthday to you. Happy 18th birthday. Shout out sa kanya. Tsaka kung kaya nyong dalawin nyo, puntahan nyo sa kanila. So yun, see you next time, and goodbye, and I love you all. I love you, Philippines.